With the tailgate cut out, I'll still need to come in here and clean this up a little more. Right in there. And I'll need to clean this up and get this off of here as well, I believe. So I think that's going to be in the way. Same way over on this side. I'll have to clean this up through here. And then down here at the bottom, I've still got these two little brackets I need to get off of there, as well as this strip down through here. So let me get set up, and I will work on that. And then we'll be able to get the surround fitted, I think. So yeah, that went pretty smoothly. So let me get set up. guys, so I got a little ahead of myself. And I went ahead and took out this rear support. And went ahead and treated this with the Eastwood rust converter. So hopefully got a few repairs to do that I'll take care of here as well, right there. But yeah, here's the old support. And the I was having trouble with these body mounts back here. So and there's quite a bit of rust behind the panel there as well, so kind of glad I did that. It was not easy, but yeah, there it is. Anyway, let me take you to the bench and we'll look at the new one because I've got an issue. All right, so here is the new one, and you can tell. I'll try to pull this over. This is about where the tailgate needs to sit. Pull back a little bit. Which looks like this outermost hole should be 15.5 inches off of center. And it's only 13 3/8. So I'm gonna reach back out the supplier and see if this is a defect on their side or if there's a different tailgate maybe. I don't know. But let's see if I can work that out before I butcher their panel. It'd be a lot easier for them to send me another one than it will be for me to move that bracket back there, because that's, whoops. It looks like it was put in there prior to assembling the support, so I think I would rather just have them send me another one if they can. But anyway, I'll get that worked out, and then I'll get all this. It's got that machine oil on it to keep it from rusting. But when I get the other one, or if I end up having to use this one, I'll go ahead and get this inner area coated with some Pour 15. I'll treat those body mounts somehow to hopefully keep them from rusting out. And see if we can make it last a little longer than the original. But anyway, that's where I am. So next time we'll hopefully I'll have all this worked out, and we'll be able to go ahead and start putting it back together. What I'm gonna have to do over here at the body, where these, there's a little lip right here. I don't know if you can see that or not. Right there on both edges, and it's on the new one as well. And that lined up about where this mount is. I mean the panel right there and right there. So I think I could put it back in there and not really have an issue, but I'd hate to get it all welded back together and then find out that no, that's wrong. So I think what I'm going to do one more time is set it on the frame and go ahead and get that new support in there and adjusted where it needs to be to mount up to the frame properly, and then I'll zap it in. I think that'd probably be the most prudent thing to do. But anyway, we'll do that next time. Thanks for coming by the shop. God bless you, and we'll see you next time.